Hello and welcome to another video of the IT Career Guide YouTube channel. In today's video of the 5-Minute Wednesday series, I want to talk about the need for having great communication skills. So often people working in IT are labeled as the nerd, the introvert. And they're really then shown people with glasses and in the corner, they don't talk, they just hunker down and are working. And of course, that's far from the truth at all. But of course, there is something to this picture of the nerd in IT, of the computer guru that cannot talk in front of people. And yeah, quite a few people actually fit into that category, and they might be great from a skill set and everything, but in really selling themselves, they're falling short. And that's really where I want to put the emphasis on today in this video is brush up your communication skills. It's very critical if you really want to advance in your career that you have a good set of communication skills. And it starts, as an example, with writing emails that are not too long. If you write a book as an email, well, guess what? Nobody will read it. Also, your style of writing is very critical. So you need to make sure that there are no spelling errors in your email. How is your grammar? So I'm not a native speaker, as you can probably tell by my slight accent, but also that is not an excuse for me not to write good emails with proper English grammar. So I'm using a tool called Grammarly that is a browser plugin that helps me with writing emails, Word documents, whatsoever. It also works in Outlook. It is available for Microsoft Word as well, so I use it in Chrome with Google Docs. It has quite some functionality, and it helps me with spelling appropriately. Even if you know good spelling, we type fast and sometimes we misspell a word, and Grammarly and other tools will help you to see those mistakes and correct them. Grammarly also goes a little further, and they help you with how is the sentence built. Is the sentence too long? Do you need to shift something around? I could say me and my team, and well, it will tell you, no, you should put my team and me, we, blah, blah, blah. So really that the sentence structure is correct. So that's really a critical piece in writing proper emails, Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, whatsoever, that you use spell check, but also proper English grammar. I also mentioned that you should not write emails that are way too long. So if you write an email that is 1 to 2 to 3 pages long, guess what? Nobody will really read that. So what you want to do is really just write an email that is concise, come straight to the topic, and then offer other ways to look at the information if you really need to go down to that level. So you could attach a Word or a PDF file with that additional information. You could put it into a PowerPoint presentation. You could offer a meeting and send a meeting invite where you just send the email, and then shortly after you send the meeting invite, and if it's just a call or really an in-person meeting or a virtual meeting, so be it. But if you write an email that is long and the reader needs to scroll down, there is just not enough time in the day to read all these emails if they come to you. And the recipient will skip over that email, especially if you are known to write these long emails, and they come back to it later. So meaning, okay, if somebody took that much time writing that long email, it's probably not that super urgent, and I just read it later in the day, later in the week. So concise and precise email communication is very critical. Same thing with speaking. So I mentioned the introvert earlier, and it could be challenging for you to stand in front of people and to give a presentation or to just speak up in a meeting where you suddenly feel that everyone is watching you, and you become insecure, and maybe you blush a little bit and you just don't feel comfortable. So, and that's really another skill that you need to learn. And there are several techniques, and I don't want to go into all these techniques here for this video, but that is an area, if you know that you have difficulties here, spend some time. You don't have to become a super public speaker like Tony Robbins, who just dives into the audience and feels super comfortable there and makes the impression that nothing can harm him and he's just in control of the situation. So there are areas really where you can work just a little bit. You don't have to go that far, but even just a little bit where you can speak up in a meeting and with loud and calm voice really voice your opinion. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so as well. I really would appreciate it. And then I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.